Ever wondered why you get hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, gets irritated. The diaphragm contracts suddenly, causing you to inhale quickly. This sudden rush of air makes your vocal cords close, creating that familiar hic sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, spicy food, or even stress and excitement. How to stop hiccups? Hold your breath for a few seconds to reset your diaphragm. Sip cold water slowly. Gently pull on your tongue or take deep, slow breaths. Most hiccups go away on their own, but if they last for more than 48 hours, it's time to see a doctor. What's your go-to hiccup remedy? Share it below.